Are you for or against? We used to say. Often we did not know how else to get our way. To live, to create, to manifest our dreams. How we stood so strongly for, forced us against what we opposed, it seems. Defining ourselves by what we are not has cornered us in this convoluted spot. When our right is born by making others wrong, we dance for dominance all day long. What if, while standing so passionately for, we embrace the contrast to meld in rapport? Light does not live to be against the dark. When light is being for, dark receives its part. You may have day, I may have night, yet both exist continually when you don't have to prove you're right. We are coming to know all things are related in this wisdom where all are created. Our left hand and right hand are opposite parts of a whole, yet the whole does not oppose itself, it houses our soul. Mother Earth and all relations are in this joint venture. Release being self-indentured in our adventure. It's time. Time to be valued opponents and amiable allies. A blessed tension that builds to ascension. Opposition is a creation of the mind. Being opposite is a natural state where reflection is refined. Encountering differences, do you think your thought or mine? What if instead they both could combine? What if a polarized world were a thing of the past? Now we have the ability to live whole at last. To live whole because we're starting to see we are all part of unity. Miracles await us as we begin to soar, flying past boundaries that constrained us before. What if the cells of our body and us were to choose, simply choose, to live and be heaven here at last? So violence and imbalance are things of the past. Cells changing the whole instead of the other way around. From all this deep awakening, we live in heaven found. So, are you for or against? We used to say. Now we can co-create our world in a magnificent way, holding your view while also seeing mine, brings us higher and deeper at the same time, uniting us together in our timely rebirth, building this garden of heaven on earth. Summon our hearts, remove all doubt, allow and create heaven all about. The time has come for us to let go of who we thought we were, to become who we are now designed to be, so we thrive it through as a world that works for all of life. You came here to be a part of this time. You are stout-heartedly designed for these times, or you would not be here. We are the leaders we have been waiting for. It's time to rise, within ourselves and together, like the phoenix from the ashes, like the butterfly from the caterpillar. It's time to rise together, together with all of life. We
ride.